Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to connect and integrate your Etsy shop with Printify so that you can start creating print-on-demand stores. As you can see, we're here on Etsy, but I actually wanted to show you step by step this. So basically what you will have to do is you will have to make sure that you completed all the steps to set up your Etsy store and that you have an Etsy store already up and running. Now, second, go to your Printify, go to manage my stores right here and then manage my stores and then add a new store. You will then click connect next to Etsy. This is how the whole process looks like right here, as you can see. Now, once we have that, you'll be asked to log into your Etsy account. Obviously, you will have to just allow access, right? Now that you link your store, you can start publishing your products to your Etsy store and manage all orders from within Printify, right? The Printify shipping rates will be assigned to your products automatically as well. So these are basically three different steps, right? The most important step is that you know that you log in into your Printify and then adding a new store and then connecting your Etsy store. As you can see, you can connect a lot of different platforms such as Shopify, Squarespace, Wix, and other big platforms. So yeah, that's basically how to do it. Again, thank you guys for watching and we will see you in the next video.